Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today you're joining me in the LSE library, which is why I've got to be really quiet. Hopefully I'll be able to turn the sound up so you can hear me a bit better. But I'm basically in the library this morning, so I thought I would film for you. It's Friday. The lids are really loud in here. Anyway, my one class for today has been moved to next week, so I've actually got the whole morning free. So I've come in, I'm going to try and get lots of work done, and I thought why not film it for you. So the first thing I'm doing this morning is I've got a conclusion of a reading that I was doing the other night. Basically I was doing this reading at 10 o'clock at night and I could just tell I was not taking any of it in. So I'm going to leave the conclusion because that's kind of important to read, and I'll do it today when I've watched the lecture so I understand a bit more about what's going on. So that is task number 1 of today. That did not take me long at all, and that made a lot more sense now I've actually watched the lecture, which is unsurprising, but there we go. Anyway, I've done it. It only took me like 20 minutes. Now I've got a couple of emails on my to-do list that I need to send, so I'm gonna have a little break, do a few emails, and then I'm going to watch a lecture because I forgot. Basically, one of our lectures is meant to be on a Tuesday, but earlier this week it was strikes. I'll include some clips I've been filming over the last couple of weeks with the strikes, so they moved the lecture from Tuesday this week and they've uploaded it later in the week because of strikes, so I need to watch that now, but I'd forgotten about it. It's a very long-winded way of saying basically I'm going to watch my lecture that should have happened on Tuesday. I realise I haven't actually told you, I'm here with Maddie. I'm not here on my own. I'm not that dedicated to the library. We've done an hour so far. What have you done? You've watched an hour of a lecture. I've done the random stuff that you've seen me doing. And now it is snack time because we're an hour in. And we're doing 3 hours today, we've decided. What have you got? Okay. Nice. I had a very mum packing their snack for their child moment this morning. So I've got, this is for later, 2 bits of cut up apple which have gone kind of brown because I've left them in there, and that's snack for later. Just finished watching that lecture and I've written up my work for next week so I can kind of get my head around what I've got to do for when. And now it's snack time number 2. It's an hour later, I'd like to clarify. It took me a while to watch that lecture. I was getting a little bit distracted. I've got a chocolate rice cake which I'm going to put some banana on. There we go. Absolute snack. 10 out of 10. It's the last half an hour of our 3-hour study session. I have an office hour actually with one of my teachers. I've explained in other videos what an office hour is. It's basically a 15-minute meeting with your teachers where you can ask them questions. So I've got one this afternoon to talk about an essay that I've got due in. Basically it's a commodity chain analysis, so we have to follow a product from start to end and look at the hidden social relations that underpin it. So I've chosen to do dark chocolate. What are you doing?
Bananas.
Are you looking at Ghana as well?
No, the Caribbean, so the Windward Islands.
Ah, nice. And I'm doing cocoa production in Ghana. It is now 12:30. I'm going to be completely honest. Yeah, you're in the background. I'm going to be completely honest with you. We've spent the last half an hour procrastinating and just chatting, but we have done our 3 hours of work this morning, which is good. I don't feel like we've got loads done, but it's not been the most productive. But we're in the library on a Friday morning, so what would you expect? Anyway, I'm going to shut my laptop down now. We're going to pack up, we're going to get some lunch, I think. Both of us have work at 2 p.m, so we both work on reception at our various residences because we don't live in the same place. So we've got a shift 2 till 8 p.m. today. We've just got the same shift, so we've got about an hour and a half to go and get lunch and then wander back and probably go to prep a couple more times. It's very chilly outside today. Maddie reckons it's going to rain and we're just headed to prep, my favourite one, Royal Courts of Justice prep, which you'd all know if you watch all the other videos, and then I think we're going to head to the shop. I've gone for, I don't know if you can see it, barbecue chicken pieces today, I think, because they will go well with whatever free food man is serving, which I'm I'm quite excited to go and get some food, to be honest. Quite hungry. Is it good? I haven't filmed anything all afternoon because I've just been at work, and it's been pretty busy actually. I've just been answering some emails and stuff, giving out some posts and whatnot, which is kind of most of my role here. It should get busier now because as students start to return from campus around about 5 o'clock through till 8, that's when they all want to come and collect their post, or they lock themselves out, and all the things that I have to deal with. Good morning everybody, it's Saturday. First of all, it's Saturday morning. What does that mean? We're going to park run. So I'm going to run 5k around a muddy field on the other side of London. So today we are going to Mile End Park Run, which is out in East London. It's going to take about an hour to get there, but it'll be worth it because we've done quite a few of the ones in Central and South London now. Then I've got an event straight after that, so I'm going to have to hop straight on the tube. But right now I've got to leave for the train station in about 10 minutes. My hair needs plaiting and I need to be fully in running kit. I'm currently in bed. So let's go sort that out. And just like that, bit of a mad rush this morning. I'm ready to go. I'm meant to be at the train station in 3 minutes. It's a 10-minute walk away, so we're gonna get going now. Mile End. Let's go. Maddie is here. We're just walking to the train station. I'm gonna hop on a train straight to the event that I've got. So the event this morning is with V and Grow Networking. So we've got a brunch, like an International Women's Day brunch this morning, which will be really good. But I was determined I wanted to do my park run still, because I do that every single Saturday morning. So I found one that was on the same tube line as where I need to be, on the district line. So now I'm gonna go and hop on the tube and go straight there. Looking a bit of a state, but you know, I'm going to get given an Empowered by V t-shirt, so hopefully that will cover up all of the running kit.
And to do that, I'm gonna have to like take on imposter syndrome in the ring and keep going the rounds. You know what I mean? And every time you like give them a knockout, they get weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker.
So we've been to the Empowered by V event. This is the team for today. I'm here with Sened and Bethany. We're basically the like London-based ones out of the team, aren't we? So we've all met up. We're doing mainly social media stuff today. We're taking some clips.
The game.
Yeah, we got t-shirts.
Come on.
So we're matching. It's at this gorgeous place, and they have so many plants. Honestly, I don't know how they keep them all alive. Oh, it's cold today. I've just said goodbye to the girls from Empowered by V, and I'm going to wander home now. It's about a 45-minute walk, so that shouldn't be too bad. It's not a very nice day in London today though, so I don't think it'll be a long walk day. I got home about 10 minutes ago and I am starving. Maddie's here, shock. We are going to go and find a nice little independent coffee shop, probably buy a hot chocolate between us because it's not Pret, so it's not free. And we are gonna get some serious work done. Maddie has an essay to do and I've got some editing to do. So yeah, we're just gonna have a like productive afternoon. First of all, I need to make myself some lunch because I'm starving. Welcome to Cook With Me. Eggs on toast time. It's so problematic. My Waitrose sourdough toast doesn't fit in the toaster. The reason we're laughing about this is because we only shop in Lidl and we just happened to go to Waitrose this week. And everything in there is so much more expensive. But we did get the sourdough toast on offer, so it wasn't too bad. And that is brunch done right. We've got chicken, eggs, and some lettuce under there in my toast. I'm running late, shock, but it's time for swimming, so I've just got to quickly walk down Oxford Street. Feels so weird saying that. even living in London, you still kind of have those moments where you're like, I can't believe this is my actual life. Swimming is over, as you can probably see by the wispy bits of hair. I made it to the middle lane today, which is so exciting. For those of you who don't know anything about my swimming, there are 3 lanes. Slow lane, where I normally am, middle lane, and the like competitive swimmers. I will never ever be in the competitive swimming lane. It's just not going to happen. I'm not fast enough. But like, I'm absolutely fine with that. I only swim for fitness. However, I always swim in the fast, not in the fast lane. I always swim in the slow lane. And I've never ever made it into the middle lane, but today the slow lane was really full and the middle lane was pretty empty, and I thought now is my opportunity to move. Anyway, now I'm heading back to the coffee shop. I think I'm going to do a bit more editing, a bit more work, and then we need to sort out dinner because tonight we don't get dinner provided by halls. We've come back to Maddie's accommodation. We've decided to cook tonight, which never happens on a Saturday. We're always really cheeky and just go out for dinner. But I think we're going out for dinner tomorrow, so we're not gonna break the bank by doing it 2 nights in a row. So we're gonna go to Lidl, pick up some stuff. I think we're gonna have stir fry. We've made pancakes and they taste so good. I have a few more bits of work that I need to do, but like YouTube work, so it's kind of chilled. So I think we'll put some YouTube on and do like chilled out self-care Saturday stuff. I haven't filmed a lot this year, Maddie in the background, but I've just been sat here in Maddie's room trying to upload my video and get it all ready to go. Maddie has just exclaimed that doing YouTube is a full-time job.
So much work.
It's so much work, and it's continuous and it never stops. So I'm sat here on a Saturday night whilst most people are out at the pub and I'm trying to upload a video. It's actually 20 to 10 already, so I think I'm gonna head home in a minute and just go to bed. So I might not necessarily film anything else after this. If I don't, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below to see more similar university content, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye.